See, this is the beginning of the short. It's gonna be chain 5. I will attach link to the pattern. Chain 5, 4 chain, this 2 DC, chain 1, 2 DC, chain 1, but this is DC, it's different, so I want to show you. And chain 1 DC. I want to show you how this works in real time. So I start from this, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and join the circle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, it's count like DC stitch and 1 chain. Pull through, keep it 2 on the loop, another one, DC, pull through, 3 loop on the hook together. This is the main chain, remember. Chain 1, one more time, we need them 4. DC, not completely finish DC, just leave it, just half DC. One more time, see, leave it, 3 loop on the hook, finish, chain 1, one time, and second time pull through 2, you have 3 hook on the hook, finish, you have 1, 2, 3. I call this will be main stitch for this short, and chain 1, DC, pull through 2, okay, finish with chain 1 and DC stitch. Okay, I will cut for you my yarn and show how look. You see, it looks straight because this gonna be your top of the short, and you have 4 of this. You see, 4 of this, so this will be the side of the short. It's gonna be the center. That's what I show you. Look, this is the front of the short, this is gonna be side of the short. Those 3 parts will be increased, and between them you're gonna be next row work this main stitch. So let me grab yarn. I just prepare yarn and do yarn. Okay, I prepare yarn. For example, purple. It's a little bit too dark, huh? It could be better with white yarn. Maybe pink. Purple is good looking, but I don't know. So I take the pink. A little bit too thin, but it's okay. It's just for practice. You have to make it all yarn same, okay? I do this way. I attach it like this. So you see, you attach. It doesn't go nowhere. It's not gonna loose later if you cut it. You do chain 4, 3, 4, and already in this you do that main stitch. Chain, chain together, chain 1. The next one you go to three on the loop, chain 2, because this is the increase. 1 time, second, pull through, 3 on the loop together, chain 1, This is gonna be middle of the short. You're gonna mark it with the markers, as I did. And with the markers, you do another one. One, two. Where's the increase? You put two those stitches, you put two chain, make them room to stay in. Yes. No, like this. Three on the loop. What the? One. Next one. One, two, three. One, two. One, two. Chain one. And here you do chain and chain one DC. That's what you got. You put stitches over there and you continue increase. Chain one. Now I will attach another yarn and you will see where the next increase, and then you continue 10 rows for small medium size. Every time you need bigger size, you attach to your short and you keep going. Here's the short. This is the short that I'm trying to show you. You see how this works? Okay, it doesn't look good, but okay, I will cover later. And I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on the 10 purple that will be last to connect the crotch. If you want to do pants, also attach here and continue down. I want to try next one. So now I will try to do one more row for you because it's already 7 minutes. Oh my goodness. And chain one, attach in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a DC in chain one because this chain one in next row you're gonna put another main stitch. You have to have that chain one because it will be pulling this way, not straight. So you put inside main stitch, to DC together with the top. Finish with the top. That's how they call them. I don't know how they call them. If you know how they call them, please let me know. Because I'm old school. I just know how to do it. See, between to this increase was chain one. We did chain one and we do same stitch. One time, second time, and put together. Chain one. This is side short of the increase, so we do them 2 times. 1, 2, finish between 2 chain. 1, 2, again. 1, 2, and chain 1. This is center. Chain 2, chain 1. You see how I increase? Here was chain 1, you do stitch, that DC stitch unfinished, to finish 2DC together. Let's call that way. Finish 2DC together. Chain 1, increase corner, 2DC together, unfinished. It's funny. Sorry for my voice, it's cold. Chain 2, but if you don't know my voice, so it doesn't matter what voice. Chain 1 over here. Okay, chain 1 and here and chain 1. Okay, here we are. You see where we are? We go straight to the short. It doesn't do this way, it go fine. You see it's chain 4, that stitch, another stitch, increase, so the short will be increased to this. Look, you see, short increase to the end, and this gonna be go to the center like this. See, it's go to the center, so will be increase up to 10 row. See, 2DC, 2DC, 2DC. Okay, wait, this is mistake, you see, I missed this stitch, so I have to pull through and explain you, so you watch it too. If you miss stitch, you have to come back always. Chain 1, and because here was chain 1 between, I forgot to make a stitch. I'm not used to watching in telephone. I can't. Okay, if I start watching, it's gonna be crooked video. You know what I mean, so do not miss stitch. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, chain, chain. See, here was chain 1, so I'm doing this stitch and chain 1 and this is stitch. Now you see now, so we have this chain 1, chain 4, stitch, stitch, 2, stitch, and 2 between them, chain 1, stitch, chain 2, stitch, chain 2, stitch, and from now you just go increase in, and in every between you put stitch. When you see 2, you have to put 2 of them and 2 together. Again, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and this 2, 1, 1, and here 1, and chain, and this is stitch. This is my explanation. I hope I attach the link to the people who buying pattern from Etsy and who is watching on YouTube, maybe give you some hint how to do it. Look, that's what the short, you see? Yeah, this is the short. They already done. I did them 3 years ago, I always season do 1, 2, 1, 2, solid, wearing, 1, 2, solid, wearing. I just changing color. I just love them. They're easy to make. You can make them, I think, in one day, if you know how to do it without learning, you know. Maybe first you're learning, I can teach you how to do this thing too. It's easy because with them they are more pretty. And before I didn't do this. Before I just connect together as you go. Now I put this because this is increased size. You want to tie that, you do tie that. You want to increase, you put more. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more ideas.